Hey Lucas. I've been trying to be a social influencer, but I'm been having some difficulties. My main focus is doing dropshop, and I'm not being very successful. I'm not having many views. I'm not having that many adherents. So could you help me? I know you're very experienced in this.
Yeah, it seems to be to me that you are doing some random posting. I'm a famous YouTuber with many followers. People love me, and the secret behind this is Trendal. So, do you know about Trendal?
Yeah, I've heard about this website. Unfortunately, I only have my account created, but I don't really understand how it works. If you could show me around.
It's an amazing platform, really easy to use. It's like having a crystal ball. The idea is that it collects all the trends, it provides you with juicy data, and it also manages to predict the future trends.
Okay, so maybe let's get to it so I can learn.
Yeah, so first, the first thing to do is to browse some new trends. So as you can see, here are all the trends, the most trending topics on TikTok's platform. You told me that you were looking for what kind of content?
Okay, so I've been using mainly YouTube to advertise my website and my markets.
So then let's select YouTube as a platform. And you told me that you were doing some dropshipping,
yes,
right?
Dropshipping.
Okay, right. Okay, so then let's search for some dropshipping content. And here we get all the most trending videos related to dropshipping on YouTube.
I'm actually more focused on specific countries. So
which country exactly?
South Africa.
Oh, South Africa. So it seems to me that we have some content for South Africa. So maybe we should look at it?
Yes, please.
And here you can see all the KPIs related to this video, the hashtags used by the creator, and also you can play the video, which is really useful.
Okay, I see we got lots of information here. It's kind of self-explanatory.
Yeah, but you know, I'm really famous, and I would advise you to go for some TikTok videos because young people, they are more like, they prefer to use TikTok nowadays.
Oh yeah, I really don't want to be called a boomer, so I'm going to go with what you're saying.
So then let's go for TikTok platform. What kind of trend are you looking for? Hashtags, keyword, products?
Okay, I'm not that good with websites and all, so maybe keywords might be easier because I don't understand hashtags.
Yeah, let's go for it then. What kind of content could be related to dropshipping?
Okay, so I would say try it.
Yeah, okay, why not?
It is good. I want people to try my product.
Yeah. And here you can see many KPIs related to this specific trend, like the CTR, the number of likes. Below you got keyword examples for that you can reuse in your video if you want. And do you like this trend?
Yeah, I like it. I see we even have like the keywords like you said, so I can reuse them or like get more inspiration for future content.
Yeah.
So what if I like this one?
If you like it, you can just add it to the favorites. It's really easy.
Oh, okay.
Do you want to add some new trends?
Yeah, definitely. About one or two more.
Okay. What could work for you?
Okay. Free shipping.
Free shipping, for sure. It got a lot of impressions, so let's save it also. And I would advise you. You told me that your business is not going well at the moment, so maybe 50% off would work for you as a trend.
Yeah, okay. Even though 50% sounds bad, I may not know anything about views, but I do know about marketing, and 50%, trust me, guys.
Let's go for it.
It will work.
Let's save it, and now we can just see all of our favorites. Here they are displayed as a list. What do you think about this?
Oh, okay, so I can see the three that I've selected, and tell me, is there some way I can, I don't know, like compare them?
Yes, you could turn into dashboard mode, in which you will have all the trends that you have selected as favorites as graphs. As you can see on the top right, we have a bubble chart comparing likes, shares, and comments for each of the trends that you have made to the favorites. And I would advise you then to go for the purple one probably, because it means that it has a lot of likes, a lot of shares, and also a lot of comments.
Okay, I get it. But what if I don't understand what the graph is about?
It's really easy. There's a question mark on it, and you can just go on it, and everything will be explained here. So many KPIs on this website. So really good website.
Yeah, lots of information describing. Okay, but it's really intuitive. Okay.
What is even more interesting about this website is its ability to predict the future trends.
Yeah. This I do not believe. You have to be pulling my leg. Has to be a hoax.
No, it's not a hoax. It's called Trendal. So let's go to predict some trends. First, you have to pick some of the trends that you have added to the favorites. Which one are you willing to take?
Okay, I would suggest free shipping.
So let's go for free shipping. Which industry?
E-commerce.
E-commerce. So let's select it. And now we can hit the button.
What are we watching here? Are we like hacking TikTok or something?
No. You know, it's based on AI algorithms, a lot of data science and data analytics behind it. It's not like a cheap guessing game, or I don't know. It's really something on which the engineers worked a lot.
Okay, and what is all this information that we're getting here?
Here you got the description on how the trend that you have selected is going to evolve in the future, and you also get some predictions of what could be the future trends, new hashtags, new things that you could put on your video.
Okay, and what is all of this talking about confidence score?
So there's a confidence score for each prediction that is based on all the work that our engineers made to build this prediction feature. I would advise you to take one that has a good confidence score, probably.
Okay, so looking at this, I would pick the second prediction.
Second one, yes.
It has some good hashtags: sustainable retail, online, offline blends. Okay, yeah.
Nice. Okay, so then I want you in your next video not to be dancing like Trump to get some views.
Everybody likes the Trump dance.
Yeah, true. But I would advise you then to pick one of the hashtags and to add it to your video so that you will get probably much more views and likes.
Okay, wait. Let me see if I'm getting this straight. You're telling me that if I start using this app right now, I may eventually be as famous as you?
No, not as me, because you know me, I'm really famous.
Okay.
But thanks to Trendal, you might get viral.
Okay, I'm still gonna keep my hopes high, so I'll give it a try.